Lesson 19. Zh. Beige, regime, vision, amnesia, casual, visual. Word practice. Genre, gigolo. Genre, gigolo. Middle. Asia, Persia, Caucasian, amnesia, version, vision, collision, conclusion, confusion, conversion, corrosion, decision, division, erosion. Television, closure, leisure, measure, pleasure, treasure, casual, composure, usual, visual, regime. End, collage, garage, massage, mirage, beige, montage, camouflage, sabotage, prestige, barrage. Exemptions: azure, seizure, bourgeois. Sentence practice. In Asia, husbands usually make the decision. Husbands. The Persian prince casually said that he enjoyed getting a massage. A Caucasian male suffered a seizure while watching television. There was a confusion whether the explosion caused the erosion or not. The subdivision project led to an unusual division among the residents. Actual practice. Asia, leisure, collision, explosion, illusion, television, treasure, Persia, unusual, Caucasian. AW sound, Caucasian, Caucasian. Homework part. In Asia, husbands usually make the decision.